Hi,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Yan. What's your name?
My name is Vic.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's go to the second part of your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please look at this picture. This is at the beach. Can you see the birds?
Yes, I can.
What color are they?
They are black, black and white.
What color are their beaks?
They are orange.
Where's the crab? Crab. Where's the crab?
It's
What color is it?
is red.
Please look at this picture lying on the chair. What is she wearing?
She is wearing a swimsuit.
Is she happy?
Yes, she is.
Okay, please look at the boy and the girl playing in the sand. What are they doing?
They play sandcastle.
Please look at these pictures. Okay, and please give me the object that I will ask you to give me. Okay, which is the pumpkin?
Is
I'm putting the pumpkin under the chair. Now, put the pumpkin next to the sandcastle. Okay, very good. Which is the witch? Witch.
is here.
Put the witch on the umbrella, please. Okay, good. Which is the gorilla?
Is here.
Put the gorilla between two children swimming in the water, please. Now, which is the plum?
Is here.
Put the plum under the chair. Okay, good job. Now let's go to the third part of your speaking test. What is it?
Is the cat.
Okay, wait a minute, please. What color is it?
Is brown and white.
Do you like to wear caps?
I have.
Do you like to wear? Do you like to wear caps?
Yes.
How
Yes, I
many?
do.
Okay, how many caps do you have?
I have three three cups.
Okay, look at this. What is it?
Is camera.
What color is it?
They
It's.
is purple and green.
Have you got any cameras?
Uh, no.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
It's crocodile.
Where can you see it? Can you see it at the school?
The zoo.
Have you got any pets? Have you got any pets? Okay, what is this?
It's cat.
What is the color of this cat?
It's
Color?
white, black.
Do you like wild animals? Do you like wild animals? Yes or no?
Yes,
Let's talk about your favorite animals. Do you like to go to the zoo?
yes, I do.
Who do you go with? Who? Do you go with your friends, classmates? Who do you go with? What do you do at the zoo?
I I look at the animal.
Okay. Tell me about your favorite animal. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite is bird.
Okay, why? Why bird?
It can fly.
Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Fly.